Most reward apps don't require a bank account, but they also don't pay in cash directly to you. They usually pay through gift cards, PayPal, or digital wallets that can sit outside traditional banking systems. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that work without a bank account, how they actually deliver payouts, and what usually stops users from cashing out even when the app says, "Withdraw available." Start with what "no bank account required" really means. It usually means the app supports alternative payout methods like gift cards, prepaid balances, or third-party payment platforms instead of direct bank transfers. So access is flexible but still structured. First category is gift card reward apps. These apps let you earn points and redeem them for gift cards instead of cash, which removes the need for any bank account. Second category is PayPal-based reward apps. These platforms pay through PayPal, so you only need an email address instead of a linked bank account in many cases. Third category is mobile wallet reward apps. These apps use digital wallets that store your earnings inside the app or connected wallet systems until you choose to redeem them. Fourth category is game reward apps with non-bank payouts. These apps usually offer gift cards or in-app wallet credits that can later be converted into usable value. Fifth category is microtask platforms with alternative withdrawals. These apps let you complete small online tasks and withdraw through multiple non-bank methods depending on your region. Now here's what actually matters more than having no bank account requirement. Payout method availability depends on location. Some withdrawal options only appear in certain countries or regions. Minimum withdrawal thresholds also control access. Even without a bank account, you still need enough balance before cashing out. And verification steps still apply. Many apps require identity checks before allowing any withdrawal method. So, no bank account needed doesn't mean no system involved. It just means different payout routes are used. Summary: reward apps without bank account requirements rely on gift cards, PayPal, or digital wallets instead of direct banking. Real usability depends on regional payout options, withdrawal thresholds, and verification rules. The structure still controls access. Next step: choose one reward app that supports PayPal or gift cards and test how quickly you can complete your first withdrawal without linking a bank account. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.